Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to can tomatoes the easy way. First, choose firm, ripe tomatoes free from any blemishes. Next, gather all your canning supplies, including clean jars, new lids, rings, a large stockpot or water bath canner, and basic kitchen tools. Ensure all your jars and lids are sterilized and ready for filling to maintain food safety. After selecting your tomatoes, wash them well and remove the cores. Blanching them in boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds makes peeling the skins simple. You can then chop them into chunks, halves, or crush them for a sauce. Remember to add 1 tablespoon of bottled lemon juice or 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid to each pint jar for proper acidity. Now, carefully fill your hot, sterilized jars with the prepared tomatoes, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims thoroughly with a clean, damp cloth to ensure a good seal. Finally, place the lids on the jars and screw the bands on finger tight. Place your filled and sealed jars into a boiling water bath canner, ensuring they are fully submerged by at least 1 inch of water. Process for the recommended time, typically 35 to 45 minutes for pints, adjusting for altitude. Once processing is complete, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 12 to 24 hours. Check for proper seal before storing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.